Want to know how to switch from light mode to dark mode or dark mode to light mode in Playsee app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application and make sure you are logged in. We have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. So once you're there on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just simply select it. And once you selected the profile, on top you should be seeing hamburger icon. So you can just simply select this hamburger icon right here. And once you have selected it, here you should be seeing on the top right side this moon icon. This means that your phone is currently on dark mode or your application is currently on dark mode. So you can just simply select it to switch it accordingly. So you can see right here, it switches it as you want. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Your settings should be auto saved. And if it doesn't work, you can just simply restart your application once. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.